How powerful is the power of science? It's really hard to imagine. Twine and join the two keys with thin wire. Align the positive and negative electrodes of the dry cell. A homemade electric knife will do it. This is the law of resistance. Write on paper with a swab dipped in the juice of an orange. The written words must be heated to appear. This is the secret of the wordless book. Surround a coin with 6 batteries. Just wave your hand, and the coin started to spin. Cross the 2 books together like a shuffle. The friction is enough to lift a vat of pure water. Put the frozen strawberries into ice water. The water will instantly congeal around the strawberries. That's the secret to turning water into ice. Stick tape on a balloon filled with water. The center cuts off the current as if it were frozen. This is known as the laminar flow phenomenon. You can't stick a potato through a straw. Just hold the top of the straw with your hand. The potatoes have been pierced. Do you know why? Put 3 caps on the magnet. Spin a top on the glass. Pull off the base plate. The top was spinning in the air. This is the magnetic levitation. Fill the straw with water and place it between the 2 cups. The water will slowly drain into another empty cup. This is the phenomenon of siphoning. Add 1 teaspoon soda and 1 teaspoon white vinegar to the glass. Pour the resulting gas into another empty cup. This invisible gas actually doused 2 rows of burning candles. That's how fire extinguishers work. Attract a magnet to the negative pole of the battery. Place copper coil on the positive pole. This is how the wheels of an electric car spin. Hold a piece of paper and a screw between 2 magnets. Draw up the screw with the negative pole of a battery. Positive connection lead. When the other end of the wire contacts the magnet to form a loop, the propeller is spinning very fast. This is how the motor turns 100 times. Let's take the kids and do it.